Yes, gonna get a good early morning run. Today I'm leaving Bogota, so this will be my last run. After this run, I'm gonna get a sick drone shot of the whole city. Walking around, looking at a bunch of menus. We're gonna end up at the hotel, which has an amazing restaurant and they have like a brunch. It's called Castañoles. There we go. We want to do brunch. Absolutely amazing. It has a bunch of sections. It has a Colombian section, some eggs, sushi, like charcuterie, fruits, sweets, just all over the place. This place looks amazing too. This brunch, they have an outdoor area. It's just super cozy at night. I see some people here. Go to the fireplace. Look at this fireplace. It's some legit stuff. This is all the Four Seasons Casa Medina in Bogota, Colombia. Let's see here. Let's take an adventure. Oh, it's so nice. By the way, the weather's like amazing. Look at this, just chilling here. Solid spot. I wonder if I could fly a drone out of here. All right, it's 6:11 p.m. Here, sunset's pretty early. You can kind of see through the window how it is. I just woke up from a nap. I'm gonna run to try to catch the sunset or whatever's left of it on the drone. Look. So the drone ran out of battery. I wanted to maybe get a time lapse of the sunset, but I was napping and I woke up late. I slacked to get those views for you, try to get that drone view of the time lapse of the sunset in Colombia. But I was napping, I'm sorry. I'll try to wake up tomorrow early and get that sunrise. So vlog tomorrow or the next vlog, whenever it is, you guys know, will be the sunrise, yes. Just finished fasted cardio. It's the second one since I started abs by December, but officially today is Monday, September 17th. We start abs by December. Santa, please, can I get some abs? So we got 75 days left, guys, to get those abs. Fasted cardio, 35 minutes, 500 and something calories. Let's do this. We only got 75 days. Here we go, official weigh-in, 75 days. All right, let's see. This is in kilos, 101.8
7 kilos, 101.6 kilos.
I think that's a lot. I'm in trouble. So that equals about 224 pounds. So abs are really hard to measure. They're more of a physical thing that you have to look, and everybody's at a different weight class for abs. There's people that have abs at 224. There's people that have abs way less, or they're able to get abs way less. I'm gonna try, obviously, the goal is to get abs, but let's focus on a number. I wanna get to 190 pounds. That's 34 pounds I have to lose by December. So let's lose 34 pounds by December, abs by December. Let's see if I get abs at 190 pounds. I think that's a solid 190, 195, yeah. 34 to 30 pounds in 75 days. I think it's doable. In the description, let me know what you think. We're off, leaving Colombia, taking an Uber in Colombia. Headed to the airport. Al aeropuerto, amigo. Okay. Estoy en American Airlines.
No, hijo.
Chao, pa.
No nos despedimos.
Dale.
Buenos días, pues. Me llama cuando vaya saliendo.
Dale.
Dale, pues.
Ciao. All right. We're off to the airport. Need to finish payroll once I get to the airport. Hopefully I don't get much traffic. ¿Como cuánto tiempo de aquí para allá? 30 minutos. Ah, yo creía que iba a ser más por el tráfico, porque estamos así, ¿no?
We found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat
Right
of
to family back at El Dorado Airport in Bogota. Ready to leave to Miami. That's it. Trip's over. Peace.
My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving it way too fast, way too fast.
Fortunate news that to take coffee into the US, you need a security bag. They have like the security bag they put the coffee in. I guess you can't open it, so you don't put like anything else in the bag, I'm guessing. And they didn't have any, so I can't take any Colombian coffee with me.